Can't find gpedit.msc in Windows? This video will show you how to fix it. Follow these steps. Download the zip file. Extract the files to a local folder. Run the setup program. Run gpedit enables.bat as administrator. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type gpedit.msc to launch the Group Policy Editor window. Important note: if you find that settings made in Group Policy Editor are not taking effect, consider these alternatives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips.